Hi, my name's Isaac from Smith's Renault in Peterborough, and today we're here with the all-new Renault Rafale. If you'd like to find out more about the Renault Rafale, see our latest deals, or book a test drive, please visit smithsrenault.co.uk. Renault's latest design draws inspiration from its storied past in aviation, bringing the essence of the skies to the road. The name harks back to the early 20th century, a time when Renault's innovative spirit took to the air, and now that same pioneering vision is reflected in their cutting-edge automotive creations. On first impressions, the exterior of the Rafale is a daring and visionary addition to the Renault family. The front grille is really unique, featuring a constellation of small diamonds around Renault's emblem. The new signature lights are unmistakably Renault, with the rear lights spaced as far apart as possible, using micro-optic technology to create a floating ice cube effect. All alloy wheel designs on the Rafale look great. These are the 20-inch Castellet black diamond cut alloys that are available on the Techno Esprit Alpine and above. The rear of the car is designed for aerodynamic efficiency, with a rear window tilted at 17 degrees. One of the coolest features is a solar bay panoramic glass roof. It uses AmpliSky technology to replace standard blinds with an active system that darkens each segment on demand. It's super quick to block the sun and can be controlled by voice through Google Assistant or by using the switch. Overall, the Rafale's exterior design combines boldness, elegance and cutting-edge technology, making it stand out in the crowded SUV market. Inside the cabin, you can feel that the Rafale's spirit of performance has not been limited to its exterior. The sporty Alcantara upholstery not only looks great, but is also eco-friendly. In the Esprit Alpine trim, the Alcantara is perforated to reveal a blue fabric lining with an iridescent effect. Another cool feature is the Alpine logo on the seat back. The lighting colour changes based on the multi-sense settings, and the lights are embedded in a flexible fabric that doesn't affect the seat's comfort. As you can see, the Rafale offers plenty of space and interior comfort thanks to its 2.74 metre long wheelbase. The extended wheelbase also means more headroom under the sloping roof, with a comfortable 890mm in the back seat. The rear armrest is super practical, with 2 USB outlets, storage for tablets and smartphones, and fold-out screen stands for comfortable viewing. Plus, the Rafale boasts a roomy boot that can hold up to 535 litres, making it perfect for all your cargo needs. The open-air digital cockpit inside the Rafale features a 12.3-inch driver display and a 12-inch vertical infotainment screen. The dashboard display has a unique design. Instead of a traditional circular speedometer, it uses a 28-degree diagonal speed line that changes colour as you accelerate or rev the engine. The centre touchscreen is packed with technology, offering Google Maps, Google Assistant and access to up to 50 apps from the Google Play Store in the UK. The interface is highly customisable, connects both wirelessly and via cable, and is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Running on Android Automotive OS 12, it features predictive maintenance alerts to let you know when your wheels need alignment or the air conditioning needs a checkup. Plus, with OpenR Link, the system can download updates over the air. It also includes AI-powered features that make proactive suggestions based on your habits, like turning off the air conditioning if a window is open, or switching it on if it gets too warm inside. It's smart, intuitive setup that makes driving more convenient and connected. So the Renault Rafale currently comes with a 200 horsepower E-Tech full hybrid powertrain that gives you a range of up to 683 miles. This powerful, economic self-charging setup achieves up to 60.1 miles per gallon with a range of up to 683 miles. The powertrain combines a 1.2 litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine with 2 electric motors. The smart gearbox automatically manages charging, while drivers can choose from 4 regenerative braking levels via the steering wheel paddles. The Rafale will soon be enhanced with an upgraded 300 horsepower plug-in hybrid powertrain, featuring an additional electric motor on the rear axle, transforming it into a 4-wheel drive coupe SUV. This high-performance version will also include the 4Control Advanced system, enabling 4 driving wheels and 4 turning wheels. Driving the Rafale is a breeze, with plenty of power for quick acceleration, whether you're overtaking or hitting motorway speeds. It keeps wind and road noise well under control, making for a quiet and smooth ride. Plus, the regenerative braking system is impressive. On its strongest setting, it can slow the car down to a crawl as soon as you lift off the accelerator. Rafale is packed with up to 32 advanced driver assistance systems. One of these is Intelligent Speed Assist, which alerts you if you're exceeding the posted speed limit. The new Active Driver Assist system takes things further by combining adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist, and it uses geolocation data and specific maps to help the car adapt to the road. All models come with LED adaptive vision technology that adjusts your dip headlights based on your driving conditions, and if you opt for higher trims, you'll get LED matrix vision technology, which lets you keep your full beam lights on all the time without blinding other drivers. So thank you for joining me on this tour of the all-new Renault Rafale. If you'd like to find out more, see our latest deals or book a test drive, please visit smithrenault.co.uk. Thank you for watching.